Go ahead.
Help Mommy take this off. Outside one. What is it? Oh, press the button. Press the button. Right here, this one. Matt. Look, there's a phone. Who's on the phone? Pop. He's gonna love to hear that.
Dora.
Yes, it's Dora. It's Dora's kitchen. Look, what's in the oven. We'll make cookies. We're gonna make cookies. Oh, and look, here's a fridge. There's food. We can make food on the kitchen.
Kira, who is this? Who is that, Kira?
Here, who's this? Who is it?
Dora.
Dora! Yay! Who's on the phone?
Papa.
Say hello. Call him. Say hello, Pop.
Oh, Papa.
Okay, tell